आज आपण एक महत्त्वपूर्ण असा निवडणुकीशी संबंधित असणारा न्यायनिर्णय पाहणार आहोत. जास्त वेळ वाया न घालवता आपण सुरुवात करूया. नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी ॲडव्होकेट संध्या अरुणाया लीगल कन्सल्टंटमध्ये आपलं स्वागत करत आहे. इंदिरा गांधी वर्सेस राज नारायण AIR 1975 SC 2299 Supreme Court of India. Date of judgment is November 7, 1975. In New Delhi, a watershed moment in Indian political and legal history, the case of State of Uttar Pradesh versus Raj Narain in 1975, popularly known as the Indira Gandhi versus Raj Narain case, saw the then Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, being found guilty of electoral malpractices. The verdict, delivered by the Allahabad High Court, sent shockwaves across the nation, leading to a period of intense political turmoil and culminating in the imposition of a nationwide emergency. The legal battle stemmed from the 1971 Indian general election, where Indira Gandhi defeated her socialist opponent, Raj Narain, in the Raebareli constituency of Uttar Pradesh. Unsatisfied with the outcome, Narain filed a petition in the Allahabad High Court accusing Gandhi of indulging in corrupt electoral practices. The allegations of electoral malpractices. Raj Narayan's petition labeled several serious accusations against Indira Gandhi, alleging that she had violated the Representation of the People Act 1951. The primary charges included that using government officials for campaigning, it was alleged that Yashpal Kapoor, a gazetted officer in the government and officer on special duty in the Prime Minister's Secretariat, had worked as her election agent. Misuse of government machinery. Narayan contended that government resources, including the state police and public works department, were used to organize her election rallies and build rostrums. The allegations of electoral malpractices. Third, exceeding campaign expenditure limits. The petition also claimed that her campaign expenditure surpassed the legally stipulated limit use of religious symbols. It was alleged that the Congress Party's electoral symbol of a cow and a calf was used to appeal to the religious sentiments of the voters. Proceedings. Raj Narayan filed an election petition in the Allahabad High Court under RPA. Justice Jagmohan Lal Sinha delivered the historic judgment on 12th of June 1975. Allahabad High Court judgment found Indira Gandhi guilty of corrupt practices under Section 123 under Section 7 of RPA, declared her election to the Lok Sabha void, disqualified her from contesting elections for 6 years, allow her to continue as Prime Minister for 20 days only for pending appeal. This judgment shook India politically. Opposition's party demanded her resignation. Indira Gandhi declared a national emergency on 25th of June 1975, citing internal disturbances. Appeal to the Supreme Court. Indira Gandhi appealed to the Supreme Court. Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer, vacation judge, on 24th of June 1975, granted a conditional stay. Indira Gandhi could remain Prime Minister, but she could not vote in Lok Sabha. The 39th Constitutional Amendment in 1975 to protect Indira Gandhi from disqualification. Parliament, where Congress had majority. Article 329A(4) Election disputes relating to Prime Minister, President, Vice President and Speaker shall decided by a body other than the judiciary, that is, Parliament itself. This amendment excluded judicial review of the PM's election. This was seen as a direct attack on judicial independence. Issues before the Supreme Court. Whether the Allahabad High Court was right in invalidating Indira Gandhi's election. Whether the 39th Amendment, Article 329A, was constitutional. Whether Parliament has unlimited power to amend the Constitution. Supreme Court judgment on 7th of November 1975 on Indira Gandhi's election, the court upheld the Allahabad High Court findings. Indira Gandhi was guilty of corrupt practices using Yashpal Kapoor, a government officer, in her campaign. Her election was therefore invalid under the RPA. On the 39th Amendment, the court struck down Article 329A under Section 4 as unconstitutional, holding that it violated the basic structure doctrine laid down in Keshwanand Bharti versus State of Kerala in 1973. Judicial review, free and fair elections, equality before law, and rule of law are part of the basic structure of the Constitution. Parliament cannot immunize elections of high constitutional functionaries from judicial. On constitutional amendment power, Parliament's power under Article 368 is wide but not unlimited. Amendments cannot destroy or damage the basic structure of the Constitution. Significance of the case: strengthen basic structure doctrine, reaffirm that judicial review, democracy, rule of law, and free and fair elections are part of the basic structure. No one above law. Even the Prime Minister is subject to judicial scrutiny. Limits on parliamentary supremacy. Parliament cannot use its amending power to protect individuals in power. Political impact. Triggered with widespread protests, deeply tied to the emergency period. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more important judgments and laws. Thank you.